Welcome to Excel Magic Trick number 186.5. Hey, if you want to download this workbook and follow along, click on my YouTube channel, then click on my college website link, and you can download the workbook 185 to 202 Excel Magic Tricks. And trick 186.5, I want to show you how to use advanced filter. Here's a little data set, and our criteria is we have two criteria: greater than or equal to 18 age and greater than or equal to 75 test score, and we want to extract the records and place them over here. Now that's exactly what we did over here in 186, but over here we used a formula, that big huge formula right here. Now some people like to use formulas, but that's a pretty hard formula. So let me show you advanced filter, because most of the time advanced filter will do the trick and it's much easier. Alright, advanced filter, you got to have a data set. Records are in rows, field names are at the top, no blanks here. Criteria range has to have the same exact names as down here for the field names. Criteria for and, meaning this has to be true and this has to be true, has to be on the same row. And over here is our extract area. It can either be blank or it can have exactly the same names as over here. Advanced filter. Click in one cell in your data set. Go to data, and then right here is advanced filter in 2007. In 2003 you go to the data menu, filter, and then advanced filter. Click on this. It's trying to guess the range. It looks like it guessed it wrong, right? Because we need the field name, so I'm going to re-highlight that there. Criteria range, that's going to be the field names and the criteria below. I'm going to copy to another location because I want to send it over here. Copy. And I'm going to copy to what range? I'm going to highlight these and click OK. Very quickly that works. Now for 186 that was a formula. It was dynamic. If you want to make this dynamic and attach a keyboard shortcut or a button so it just as soon as you change the criteria this will update, you got to go watch this video right here, 185.5, because I do the exact same thing. I do advanced filter with a macro. But we want to compare and contrast how easy it was to do with advanced filter compared to how we did it over here in 186. All right, we'll see you next trick.